Hajirwe
Bana Uganda mwenna mwebale kusima Bachogera Hub Products olw'okufufugaza endwadde z'ensusu zonna tunyiriza bato n'abakulu era basimye empeereza yaffe tuleese ebipya ku katale.
Leka ekirooto ky'omwana wawe okukola omubyenyonyi kiikirire na Uganda Aviation Academy twamibwe ayata na UCAA.
TV Stomurunzi twakutanjera wasiba kurunzi eshaha zaba ibiri z'ekiro kandi n'eshaha ey'amakuru gitagacencwire eshaha nizo ibiri kandi rizoba n'orwa kabiri 2014 eby'okwezi kwa kana umwaka gw'2026 amakuru agacencwire ntugakuretera okurugaha akashozi boma omurembo urwambara kandi hamutwakurundanirizo veri orukwijaga kusyaho ndi Elias Ritugusa hamwe na Sandy Brian oworumo rw'obubonero konkatakaga kuretera ombwijire reka tubanze tworekera ukuru ebyija bw'ebembire
emitwe y'amakuru ne kushikibwaho vegetable cooking oil, second best to a mother's love. Echiro chisisira chirireche, rose from ne bakasheshe karonje. Omagace ncwire kireki abazigubokize mwarimu w'umuzigiteneka yeyo n'umunju omwe yafera ho muri Kagadi.
Then I hear this side there is noise, help me.
Abaturani betombwita irwaro rya Kibarehere Center ya Kashatu remerwe kwigurwa umuriro rwampara.
Kuyango batfaho munongi irwaro ryituriyigu.
Abarokore nibetombwitirwa office ya Town Clerk wa Rubirizi Town Council.
Engeri basenyera mwe kanisa z'abarokore ndebere bayizire bine kiniga cinje.
Emitwe y'amakuru yabane kushikibwaho.
Blended pure vegetable cooking oil, second best to a mother's love.
Echiro chisisira chirireche, rose from ne bakasheshe karonje.
Kale ntongera kutanjera omakuru gitagacencwire agutwakurundanirizo beri orukuzaga kusyaho ndi Elias Ritugusa hamwe na Sandy Brian n'orumo rw'obubonero abatura omutawuni council ey'amabare omu district ya Kagadi bagwerirwa kagwe bwanyuma y'abazigwa batakamanyirwe okutahira omutura mutahi wabo bakamwokeza omunju hamwe na nabeka yibona.
Ekikorwa eki kibiro mu kyaro kya Mabare North omu town council ya Mabare mu district ya Kagadi omu majingo ga shanka 8 z'ekiro burukushesherizoba keyayo kibwana ya house katatumbwa orumwari mu muzigito gwa Burora omu district ya Kagadi okurugera abatura awusabire natura no mucyara we n'umwana wabo w'imyaka 3 owafera mu rogu abazire bo biho mu rogu barukubimunonga kandi bayirukangizwa irwarira hangwe rya murago okutunga obujanja bikanda babokize n'amajuta ga petroli.
I told him let us go out then we come And then I hear this side, there is noise, help me, help me. And then he was inside, put the clothes, I ran behind here. When I ran here, I saw they put that stick this side and this side. Then where there is a door, they put it there, some wire. Then this side, they tie it near that neighbor, they tie it with the rope. Then I told him, come and see those people, come and see as if they need trouble, come and help them. Then he ran, he reached on the door, he saw those things on fire, there are many down.
Angaba kiausi katetembwa mabale ukumokeza munju. Twaija tusangiye basibireho aheru batereho ekiti maze kuteka he kiti nenga twasara magezi twachwa beningi wanye beira aheru mazire gichwa twatwa hamunda tusangira umusajja ali mu mbera zibi wena ahire ngwezo nazihoyireho mukazi ahiro mutego ndaguhoyireho
abamwe bagira ngo bagereze kwirikira abantu bakubiyo mu nju bitu bagira ngo umwana yaba yafire.
Open the door. The woman is shouting, please help me. You people come and help me. Give me. And then he told the wife, husband, please give me that knife. And then they start to shake the door.
Chonkan kuterera abantu borabo ino butakengangana n'omuntu iwe yambe ogendo mbakulembezi obuzira bazira insonga mbayimale mureke kole chikora cha mlingo gwate bayitire mu mwana
nebjumera nahabwica abantu begarukemu
Qur'ani kabijumira muno kandi kibiri bya Busilamu kandi Qur'ani suratu Maida katugamba omuntu wena aito omuntu womu Allah mutekaho musango nkayisira abantu abensi yona nabwekyo kiri kikorwa kibi muno twesoroizano n'obusasi bwingi tugenda kuzika
omukira kutwahandikira mu makuraga polisi yakagadi yabahereze kwikaho bwiso bwakorerwa biti yabasa kugambira kamera zeitu gasha kwa Thomas tumwebaze
webare Thomas tumwebaze kandi agona amakuru g'obusasi konka ebikorwa nkebyo ebyo kutwara amateko mu ngaro itwe netubijumira. Reka tugumize muna makuru abarukoro mutauna kanse ya Rubirizi nibetongwitira town clerk wa Rubirizi town council atonzere hono abo kushenya makanisa gabo no bareba amahandikire barokumushaba okubonzera kire district ya Rubirizi omutauna council nabo barumuno bateka ekiragiro omunkore cha trade order ekirukujema ekirukorwa mataunu gona okushenya ubuju obutari hamutindo abarikuguriza hamhanda na no mabaraza gamaduka otireho na nabatembeye nangwana nabo abari mu za Q6
obwe bari kugezaho kutekeragiro cha trade order mu nkora izibari yanyuma abazyo amakanisa nagona gabarokore hagari mu town council ya Rubirizi agana mu Desta International Ministries Covenant Church ndetse Desta International Ministries na ndetse Miracle Center ngo gashenyero kandi bamwe mu barukura amakanisa agana bagira ngo cyo kubasasa no kugira ngo bakatwara kushaba kwabo mu buhandice kandi na town clerk wa Rubirizi town council yaraganisa kubagarukamo bite kibihire waya mutwe no kureba ngo bija babashenya
ibaruha tukagitwara aizo bari yo wakatanu twagitwara mu office ya town clerk konka twaba surprise munongeri izoba kutwareba bulldozer neja batatu warningire baija batandika kusenye kanisa
town clerk atatumanyisize district yatumanyisize kandi we are registered with the government to register na government even recently tukakomputing emyaka 3 twagera ko twari newinga hati ntwebuza how come abantu kuza kuhende ekintu registered with government batamaze no kutumanyisa nebindi nkebyo
abahwana bagira ngo bakikiriza bayemeretu nuko cya kasasuro ya town council ahabwa kasasuro yabare miliyora namiza garu kwijurura no mutawuni ngakabashanga umunju ubwo bari kugira ngo nemotoka yo kuyora kasasuro je kemerera kare na kare biti bija kushenya amakanisa
negative energy agamana gabakoza kushenye kanisa bakabene bagakozesa gukora ibintu ebikutungura district ya Rubirizi waba notambro muri Nyakasharo tinkare bagataune ndofa nkanyakasharo nabo basemere nkababembazi ba district they should deem themselves as failures.
Ico kubanzanisha abantu batanise umbintu bibiri ica trade order ikiriyo nkikorwa hati ahabwa okushenya ibiri omutawunu byona hamwe nakasasuro kasasuro tutwire nayo ntugiyora kandi burukire ntugiyora konkabe bagaruke bamanye kasasuro eruho buri izoba manufactured buri izoba
wa Bishop Vincent Tukundane umwe mu bahereza ahumuriza abikiriza b'amaramizo gabo gashenyure
rimwe amezi mizurano z'amezi izwire muza kasesero ebibaremera ikora andi abantu baho bushuru tonka oza kureboreba bariyo bakore bindi ebitari ebyakubire bitashemerire tonka ebibashemerire kuba mbakora bebarema
Town Kelaka atongere hono orukweto mbicurwa tarebukire mu kikwekweto kandi no tugerezo kukikom office ye tishangire kinjire nangwa no kutera amasumuge kugira ngo agire kiyatugambira hanshongeji no gabire gataro gashoka Onesimus Indianabo
webare Onesimus Indianabo twagomezamo abatura begombore andija umu district ya Rwampara nibetongwitira bebembezo ba district ya Rwampara ahabwo kucererwa kwigurirwa ryabo area kibade heresenta ya kashatu abatura aba nibagera ngo bakaba hirwa bakumanya ngo baza kutunga obuhereza bwahibwe by'amagara konka byona bebire byabusha
Irareri neri yakibare here center ya kashatu eri mu district ya Rwampara ubahati yaheze myaka 2 rihereze kombekwa kandi rikatwara miliyoni 9 okurwa mu government ya Rwagati okora biro ministry by'amagara okombekwa abatwana bagira ngo bakahirwa irareri kuri yayombecurwe barukumanya ngo obuhereza bwabakahihi biti na hati ntibashitambura ngende ningwa okutunga obujanjabi
n'amazima harebekire mu cracks konka kubaza fire homunonga irwarire kabira bire ryigwirwe kare
yitonka bakazi twahurire mu binda kutombekera mu matene tuwundi twashemererwa konka ekiyonci tugarre nyuma no kugira ngo irwaro rubuzire kwigura kandi abakazi ntabatubine bakwenda kuzara hato shango mukazi yanenda no kurwa mwenda ya kampa bagarika ba muri faringitojo
turateganise bwamwe no kwisha hano okaraguza bakakwereka ngo ora shango mu doctor omwa akuje ngo tugwira abantu babiri abase kutakuragura je atinyo wende ndakuragura umuntu umwe ato yebuza eriko ni gwaro ikiratuma yaragura umuntu umwe no niki
urare rukwera abantu aba ubwa hatume bwatine no bujanjabi okuzara nebindi neri yabugamba here center ya kana eri umburingo bwa kilometers 15 kuruga hibarukutura kandi rindi eri yakubirene rubahwera neri ya kino here center ya kana eri umburingo bwa kilometers 25 ano RDC wa Rwampara Harriet Nakamya hatabukira bebembezi ba district ya Rwampara agumize ngo myaka 2 no bwire bwinji abantu abakire kuzirwa reri
kija contract akabana akora on defects up to now government ekaleta equipments ebyo kukozesa byona birimu bichingi in close the door bichingirine nichecho byona bichingirine tukanyura mu government ikatawoshete nyingi echombe kwa kachombeka kare mukija now almost 2 years nothing ruzoba ningamira kabo tugende twigure ki twigure rwayo tabikora
nishigamba ngo irarere katunge bukozesa byona byamaziraho miliyoni 220 okora biro ministry y'byamagara biterkeje kwemerezwa bwanyuma yo waryombekere kushanga ngo ine byatarakozereje bitu kutwamwekirira hasimu yatugira ngo byona kije yabitereza konga tare kubanyabwenje rutarukora
kana kugira ngo rumere kugira corax so kuba bwija kuryigura kushanga harimo corax bagira ngo kaba postponing baryigura ubundi so nchechizwe chitwine amwe no kushanga tukabwine staffs turoho bache
nyire baruwa bene benda commissioning zizinde last week bangira ngo hati ibine bwire bwo kucommissioninga mwambira zo company kire baruba ngambira minor things nabayo nabikora aho kwanywe kaza nabikora byone yuwagire baratugira ngo kasanga no kubikora ambikoze nayo zane irwaro nari simura nari sigandi kwenda balitwara aho kwanyira akora mu rugo kumanya ngo ngwe siga guriyo sinkutina ni wakugira president aizo tiyeni ni wakwa minister aizo tiyeni leba intensive bakora kugira ngo nishode wa
twakira wire bataringa ya uri mukuru w'abakoza wa district ya Rwampara hasumu kandi ibintu byatugambira
alo kapata contractor yawe rafika mazire
there was some defect which we wanted the contract at first correct. And I'm told he has been working on it. I was only waiting for a confirmation report from the engineer. And then we have it commissioned. Of course, that will depend on the report the engineer gives us.
Rare katandika kombe kwa omwaka gw'2024 kandi contract ikabiri yo kumara amezi 8 agahwire kare na kare bitu no kusitana hati tere katandikire kozesibwa na mnongi zaro ry'abakazi.
Kare reka tugumizemo na namakuru abashubuzo mu katara kakuru akambara Central Market bashobanjirirwe ahabwe imihendo y'ebintu okweyongera abashubuzaba nibagira ngo ibintu bimwe okucira munonga bari kwiha omahanga gaheru obwa hati buzire abo kutemba kw'emihendo y'amajuta gebyiruka.
Abashubuzi abo mu katara kambara Central Market nibagira ngo hine binte bitandikire kubaremo kushubura ahubwo kweyongera kw'emihendo yabyo. Ebintu kucira munonge bari kwiha omahanga gaheru ebirumunka za apple, emicungwa, grapes hamwe na n'obushazana n'ebindi byeyongere kubura kandi na n'emihendo yabyo bwa hati yahanikire.
Kuba ifurwe isho yitwine nayo kushangwa amajuta garetire bintu binji byatemba. For example atinka apples zibuze umuntu nayika umugambira apple piece muri 15 ajate ya 15 tinka jorda konka ishute yituka bashubuzi ishune ya muhendo w'amajuta ukweyonja kinonka zo grapes za seedless kuruga South Africa na zo mchochimo beine kumana yene temba burwashesha bwira
beize bintu kugeza kwezi fruits zikuruga mahanga gaheru coated fruits bei izirene yongera abwesonga z'amazita abo bei y'amazita kubara ko yongera n'iburu kinyancho cyukuretera bei nedemba so konka fruits zizine ibindi tubyine za watermelon
ebinte bindi okucira munonga nk'obutunda, emondi, obutunguru hamwe na karotsi nabyo bwa hatene bico mu katade kandi nabyo emihendo yabyo yiyonjire. Enshaho y'obutunda hatene gure mitwaro 50 okuraga aha mitwaro 35 kandi owakamwe kamwe obutunda bwa shiringi 10 buri hagati y'obutunda bushatu na n'obutunda butano okurigera hamwanyu gwabuguramo. Ebindi enshaho y'emondo bwa hati eri hagati y'emitwaro 27 na n'emitwaro 30 okuraga hagati y'emitwaro 15 na n'emitwaro 20 kandi bafu y'emondi hateri ya mitwaro 3 n'eshweka okuraga hagati y'emitwaro 1 n'eshweka na n'emitwaro 2. Obutunguru enshaho hateri aha mitwaro 25 okuraga hagati y'emitwaro 18 na n'emitwaro 22 kandi umunwa gumwe gwa karoti no gura shiringi 10.
Shawe monde gishayi kugambra n'ibiri mutwara n'ushaka ndamshangiye monde bakuze mutwaresha ubwo kuze mutwaresha doshanga bakastomers bakomplaininga ngo basera kumva ni kuya y'izina basera monde sikabura ikinde kikinde aho mukatare carrots zizuru sikabura jura kuyagure nyinji zantwango mutunga bona y'ikugambra carrots
enyama naye yiyonjire hatikiro y'enyama yente erijire aha mutwaro 1 n'eshweka yaza aha mutwaro 1 na kanana dere nyama y'embuzi hatine mitwaro 22 okuraga aha mutwaro 1 na kanana
imirimo yongeze pe y'enyama n'iki
abatore bakabo barwayira n'ikayi bakongeza amazi twaza kwakire nange embuzi pansarore nanga pansa pick up ushanguria ebeke yongere amazitani bakusere motoka
ebyenyanja nabyo hati emihendo yabyo ryahiguru kandi kire rya mitwaro 2 n'eshweka
to kugira nti bibuzire nti abemere konka byo bikasangwa byabuzira okuba abantu biyo mu Victoria bagisinga bugira abantu bakabani bakuba kubiba kuye ebyenyanja buti obuto so bagisinga ate bituyare biyajinjo kweso from Jinja to Mbarara you can see that's pressure in a very high.
ebyomere nabyo emihendo yabyo yonjire kiro y'ebinyobwa erugira ha 15 yaza harushiringi kanana kiro y'ebihimba erya hagati y'13 na 15 okurigera aha kika cyabyo kandi ubushaza kiro erya hagati ya shiringi kakagana na shiringi kanana kiro y'akahunga haterya hagati y'25 na 13 okuriga harishiringi 20
kayongeraho kacaho hatenga byimba nora bimantu bapine ibimba bya types nyingi ninga bemerengo nyingi bazandi babita kwinganisa be for example nkonke byimba bya yero hati no sangise kuba bisobora nkisha 15 kwa bigusenkumira nyina honka byimbe bindi type ndizo ya shoti hati yerya 15
abashubuza aba nabagamba ngo nubwo emihendo y'ebinte yonjire ngo bitu ba customer babuzire ebinte mwe bajondera ahabwo kubura bo kubugura
embera y'ebintu birekare birebi n'abantu bacitaha mu katari ebintu tubyine kuko abantu bo kubugura ni bake no kubura mbabure cy'umuronda rezo gura cyamusana zubo President Museveni nagira ngo abanya-Uganda banje muhumure amastop tubwine ihanga ryaterera konkitu ko muri Central Market ito muri Imbaro turemberere kube munonga
anga koko kusheme kubar aha kubece kintu cyarenga 27 mu Central Market tushitame twine sente omukasheshe nibenda korabo mungu nibenda esente zo kushashoro mu kanso tuzine
mayiguruka cyane bajyangwa amasita gatembere gariya yiguru okuza kutemba wa boda na wakusaba sente nyingi na iwaza ka special nako keyongire mu bene bintu byona obwendo bw'ibintu nukumani gutemba amasita
abashubuza aba nabagera ngo nubwo emihendo y'ebinte iri kugumana ihinduka konkane basima government ahabwo kubombekera katari ku murembe ahabwa TV West and area Saratugusa
kare na nyerizuba nasiba umukatare na nabashubuza bambara Central Market okurundanira yago umurebi wito murunzi nyenda kusima aho turebera hona kandi webare na nokutorana kureba TV West turiyo makuru agacencwire konka katubanze tuhumureho tugarukana makuru agandi.
Are you in panic? Or you're afraid to make a move? Don't worry. With Kazire Red Tonic, you will put her in red moments. And with Kazire Power Tonic, you have your game powered. Enjoy Kazire Red Tonic and Kazire Power Tonic, the natural organic products. Kazire Power Tonic, made from nettle tea, ginger, grapes, and honey.
Kazire Red Tonic, made from watermelon, pumpkin, grapes, and honey.
Power your game and ignite her happiness.
At Fins Medical University, we offer online postgraduate diploma in medical education, Bachelor of Medicine and Bachelor of Surgery, MDCHB, Bachelor of Pharmacy, Bachelor of Medical Laboratory Technology, among others, Diploma in Clinical Medicine and Community Health, Diploma in Medical Laboratory Technology, among others, and certificate programs. Fins Medical University, a chartered medical university in East Africa and is located in Fort Portal. Apply now for the March or July-August intakes. Visit our offices or apply online on our website or contact us for details. Fins Medical University, saving lives, our passion.
Manager, ogito wagito. Kwa kama tumuchidara, kabataka jiremu. MC takiziri. DJ atumwe na wearing ebyoma tugumisize shanki ibiri
bantu mareka turgo muzano tugume twatesha twagamba shamushanju zibe shamushanju tukizana ngo okushara cake ni shamushanju nizeze nyine byo ni shara cake tukazakunyumbo na wapesi yona nesente konga tanyuire mbogo nikushekerera nikuteganisa wenda ningende mbogo yoka oyine mbogo kanaba murungi ayibambe nekorera ayimukama wanje okagaruka meshara zanje
urengera izuba inko ekitongole kiri gukora ebyoma ebihangazi eby'omurembe mbaba mu rurembo rwambarara n'ebyoma nka demolition breakers ezikushenya concrete n'ebishenje enkito za safety rain boots face masks n'emyenda yo kujwara ha sites reba cutting discs za metal diamond na wood otebirwe sanders emisumeno routers grinders ahari inko ebyoma byo kushusha imbuga eby'amanda n'eby'amajuta ebyo kushara bimuri ebijuma hamwe na za fence nebyo kutimba ibina by'ebikondo ha uwe washing bay reba ka pressure washer akamashanyarazi akamanda hamwe nayo kodesa amajuta generators ziriho buruho n'ebindi binji byoma aha sentenche ahaduka yitumbarara high street ahashungire na highway restaurant isimu nuti mushanju munana note anana mushanju abana mukaga nshanju na mushanju
ebyo kwemeka byongera koroba kankwanjurire ankole crazy limited abara kubumbira byo kwembekesa nkamategura amatafari n'ebindi binji kandi ryo mutindo gwahigu nkamangalole tiles Portuguese tiles na flat top agemigongo lero bakwinira amatafari ga buli muringo nka fire bricks max pans interlocking bricks otebwe partitioning blocks obumori buro bwabuzire bwena babwine nka Z-Vent Torino Venezia na Sisa bakwine na Pompeii Malta Double Pompeii mwena bombeche na ba engineers na contractors mwena ankole crazy baborobezaho byona barabibumbira muri mbarara omwibumbe rishugeine barakwesa technology rispiria echo nabyombeche changale nka bendera ya Uganda bashangari mayiro 8 mbarara kabale road esimu noti mushanje 2 ananina 15 chenda na mukaga ankole crazy limited tugende twombeke
Hayes recruitment experts jobs abroad kandi nitumanyisa abantu mwena nguni tukinda abantu binji abashije n'abakazi abojo nabishiki emyaka 21 okwisari 85 okwera cyenyonyi Dubai emirimo nka customer service airport security aviation stewards check-in agents landing ground guides na aircraft cleaners. Hayes recruitment niyo company esingira zindi zono mu Africa okuhereza emirimo ey'obujunanizibwa omwaka oguterize okwehandikisa n'okwabusha free registration amataji gitu gona esimu not mushanju ina not emwe 2 3 4 5 mukaga ninga not mushanju ina 5
Echiro chisisire chireche Rose from Nempaka sheshe karonji Parasia Rose spring na Rose from Ejini biti Dokuro busas mukashesh Nikuko masaji ngomu chirochuna
Renko mwerere n'umufaratsi gw'umutindo kandi nuguhanga umugongo ombero gurukushasha okubiyamaje kigambe bakwecho rukwen Resform ensiye biroto burunji
uruka yuko mbutumwa bw'abashuruzi twagumizamo na namakuru agacencuire agishicwikeki abeshitongore cha Intelligence Transport Monitoring System abarukujinanizibwa ahabukuma bw'ahanguto na nukucendeza botandu bo batandikire huriro kushomesa abana b'amashomero ebibashemeriro gukora okwetantaraza butandu zahanguto ehuredi eriyo negendo misho mu mashomero gatari gamwe na gamwe aho mu Rurembo urwambara
Ehuriyo kutendeka abana b'amashomero okuba kubasa kongera kwetantara butanduza hanguto eyebembirwa b'ekitongole kya Intelligence Transport Monitoring System ITMS bakwatanise na polisi ya hanguto kandi aba batandikira Uganda Matters Primary School izo bari yanyo muyabazyo kandi erizo babasiba hari Mbara Municipal School hamwe na Ebenezer School aho mu Rurembo rwa Mbarara.
If you are using a border please and you can afford, make sure you fasten your helmet. If the person riding it does not have a helmet, you tell him to get a helmet and he puts it on, he wears it on his head. And you also get one, tell your parents to buy you helmets.
When your father or your relative is riding from a motorcycle, tell him that you will not end up on putting it on, but you also fasten this flap. That's the cassette you have seen down.
Superintendent of Police Michael Kananura uri umugambizi wa polisi ya hanguto mu Uganda yayore ko kwatwa habwa bazira bari kupakira abana baba boda boda ubwibatine nabyo kwekumisa nka helmet hamwe na reflector jackets. Icyo kureberaho
noshanga amakankabiri negekika yina abana mukaga gapayisa pichemwe abanoshanga bakateka pichemwe so ekiti kibonire kandi tushobora kushaka kushaboidinga tumaze kufuna za butambi emwebire manafantire yababiyende esperima abantu 10 butambiri za pichipichiri biri kuchipichiri abana batanu kandi bana bakora
tukazamura go batujana bakora over 50 surgeries a day z'abantu ba accident 50 surgeries niyo wazamura go bakujira mu emergency niyo emergency center eri kucira mu East Africa yone abashaho bamara ko batiyambira so ba kutuchireba nka economy spending a cent nyingi okujanja abantu bakuba kurwara bahede kama guru bazifuna za butandu nibiruka nko maruwaru bararufaro hospital Masakari Faro Hospital itojo omaruwaru ga government bagura bazi government ne kubagura ki bazi
abeje n'abakuru b'amashomero basima government abwentebeekana seji
kabatutunga accidents aho mwana ubaye batomerera postaho konka kuruga message afandekananura naije kutereza messages kana kurugobwe tukagarikira kutunga kisibo cyona abana bitu
Lolwa lero njagala kwebaza aba ITMS n'aba Uganda Police okujja kusomero lyaffe okutigiriza abatyawe tusobola okozesa enguudo n'abatyawe tusobola kugoberera amateeka gaabyo mu butufu bwazo waza kucrossing omuhanda mubanza oreebe musho oyo haye mutuka yaneisha otaka crossing then haba kwisana biruka gonka nsema tukeriyo nisha atarebire then kahendere mutomire kamare wo mwiraro ngabari kumuzika
okuchondozo kwakozerwa polisi yangu tumwa kuguhire nukoreka ngo abantu 15 nibo bari kutunga butanduza hangu to burizoba kanda hari abi 15 babere nibo bari abana b'amashomero inda Aidan Bataringaya hamwe na Ram Edwin
kare mwebare abashaci bitu babebembezi aho mu rurembo rwambara erizoba batongoza umurumo gwo kombeka katara ka Makansinga kataraka nikija kombekwa ba plan build okumara obwire bw'emyaka 3
Ombutongore office ya City Council aborembo rwambara obakwatanise n'umushusho president bakwasa company ya plan build watandike bombeka wakatare Kamakansinga
katare kwa on site kwa contractor officially so umurimo gwaza kandi thank you
lero tuwaze ku receiving a site of client waffe Makansinga Landlords Association tutandise ne demolition era tutandise okuteekako hoarding n'amabaati side eri gy'olaba kati next ekiddako is okukola excavation kola foundation retaining wall ne slab phase esooka gye tugenda kutandikirako
okulja abebembezi bakataraka abarukwegitansi y'ekibiina kyambara Makansinga Landlords Association ekyombeko kibakuza kombeka n'ekyakarena mushanju
abantu bita abanyambarara tubahereza amasuko ngombwire bugufu tuza kuba twina katare ko murembe hanuya akuba kwita Makansinga market katare kine emyaro mushanju twine basement hansi twine parking lots twinemu cold rooms ezo kubika mwenyama n'ebyenyanja na n'ebindi bikujunda twinemu emidara twinemu amaju agutweta store nanka tugeta lockups twinemu banks twinemu supermarkets twinemu daycare centers twinemu police post buri kimwe cyona eki aba standards z'ebyokombekeza bakwambenda byona tubyinemu.
I bring you commitment from the leadership of City Council, both the administration and the political side. We are there to do the government work. We support you and your dream becomes a reality.
Twaza home district y'Ibanda Erizoba Council yahinguze embarira yayo ab'omwaka 2026 2027 embarreji neyo buhumbi ana na kamwe embarira yahinguzibwa amana bayonja gata ombyo bwegese okubatayo buhumbi 18 ebyemagara batayo buhumbi 8 kanseri zoba niyo yahende kisanja echi bakansara batagarukire basiburira izoba omubutongore.
We formed when the performance of our schools was not relatively good, but we tried together and changed.
Itito nkibande tugenze tutekaho esra theme yitu mu tamu yito turiyo tumaririza tukagira ngo tukore munonga education akabantu kuba kweza kufuna ubwenge kuba kuza kufuna ubwegese ebindi byona byereta
nyambwe nuko mu rubwagwa turiyo tapinga mizi muri cenche turiyo extending amizi na no mu kicuzi brango abantu bona bagira mizi garwe cunda gagar safe
hine wage ekweyongire konka cyarengero tukamanyire abo kwa tukirinzire sacura yo koreka specifically umukozi nanka umukozi wa category ki oba kuza kora ki but wholesome wage yongire mu budget ya umwaka ogurukwiza ogutandika okukibanza cyo kwezi kwa mushanju 2026
Awa TBS ni Senyomo Gideon na Timothy Mushabe omuribanda.
Kare mwebare abanyamakuru bitu twazagaruka tumureho tugaruka namakuru agandi.
Katochi ino bunuzi bwayo katochi kenya mutindo katochi okurugera izoba abantu banje tibarigaruka kugire nakwa mutima byaguma binamashemererwa ahabwo kuba natongoze cyo kunywa kisya ecya katochi mugume munyweco katochi ino bunuzi bwayo katochi kenya mutindo katochi ina chama chayo muhute katochi niyenja mutindo katochi alcoholic drink inuzire kandi terkuleta hangover nekogwa bakabiri Foods and Beverages Company Limited otaka ikize myaka 18 otanywaho
Rwashamire Vocational Institute itendekero ry'amashomo ga business na technical studies international diploma human resource management, public administration, guidance and counseling, computer science and English IT, records management, accounting and finance, business management, journalism, tourism, building construction, electrical installation, mechanics, plumbing hamwe n'agandi minji. Amashomaga gona negabuzubwa ebitongore nka UBTEB, DIT hamwe na Makerere University. Rwashamire Vocational Institute twine in service, pre-service hamwe na short courses netushangwa Rwashamire Town Council aharuguto rwantunga mu Rukungiri kandi kwehandikisa nukugendo misho tera enamba zesimu 0772 9 0
When you don't use Momo, you get insulted by strangers. Save yourself from insults. Use the Momo app or dial *165*3# to pay and enjoy zero charges below 5K. That's the power of Momo.
Cooking all that makes food sweet. Tastes so good like mama's keys. Sweet Thomasana, yeah. Stir gold is the oil you cooking oil for a tasty meal to live a healthy, happy life. Stir gold, refined, fortified, blended pure vegetable cooking oil, second best to a mother's love.
nitukwanjulira Mbarara Institute of Health Sciences and Management ishomero lyonka erichasingireyo okugunjura abashaho hamwe n'abazarisa aharurengo urwa certificate na diploma in medical laboratory technology, diploma in medical records and health informatics, diploma in pharmacy. Rero bagaruka bashomesa certificate na diploma in nursing and midwifery. Ishomereri erine medical laboratory erime byoma nibereba ko muntu library
ey'omurembe kompyuta z'ekika ky'ahaiguru kandi eby'emizano bakabiteekamu amaani kare kandi ishomereri rahamibwe ministry ey'obwegyese na ministry of health kandi biine bus rugogoma ey'okutambuza abeegi ebyombeko eby'omurembe hamwe n'omwanya rugogoma gw'okushomeramu ebitabo ogurikureebeka kurungi nirishangwa aha nguudo nyeigendwa eyambarara isingiro odakakiro mu tahuni ya kaberebere okumanya ebirikukiraho noti mushanju ibiri nkaga na mushanju ashatu n'ibiri nkaga n'emu Mbarara Institute of Health Sciences and Management. We strive for quality health.
Musiko abadomu lwa katoli ku ndongozina nanywedde kano kaado vera chawuda.
Yantode School of Nursing and Midwifery nibetabe Jibwena abahereza senior ya kanane ya mukaga kwisha kwehanditsa habwa amashomo ga certificate na diploma ombunasi obuzarusa na lab technology omwejero kwenda omwanya oshemere kubushyikiro kubara n'orujungu hamwe n'ebya science iwe kwenda kushoma diploma oshemere kuboine certificate of nursing na midwifery kandi omazire emyaka 2 mu field buri mweji na hawo mugisha gwo kushoma gani mashomo ga teknolojia kumwongera omugisha gwo kuhakanara nyensia nka scanning na sonography lab technologies business na vocational skills nabyo bitakwibiri basaries zikiruho mugiro bwira eishomero nirishangwa rya Ntonde haruguto rwa Kampala mbarra kandi kuma ibiri kukiraho terano tumushanju 8 mukaga nshanju ni 3 nshanju ni 5 ashatu na 4
Reke kiroto cy'umwana wawe okukora umbyenyonyi chikirire Uganda Aviation Academy neta applications ahabwa May 2026 intake Mishomeji flight operations and dispatch airline cabin crew airport operations airline customer services foundation in travel and tourism cargo introductory courses aviation security awareness IATA GD's fares and ticketing aviation management quality security awareness safety management travel and tourism consultant teaching and instructional techniques Tuamibwe IATA na UCAA tunga application form ari Kampala office ari Metropole House 6th floor Entebbe Road Ningatera notisha 13 nkaga na mkaga nkaga ni 2 ninga jihe our website ugandaaviationacademy.com
kuruka yuko mukahumuro twagumizamo na namakuru agacencwire agicwekeci uruguto rwa Bugango Mbare Kityazya okuza omuri Bukanga omu district y'Isingiro erizoba rwatongozubwa okutandika kuhunduzubwa
enkuto ejeri kuza kukorwa neya Bugango Mbare na Kityaza n'uburingwa wa kilomita 26 niyo kuraba omashaza abiri omuri eriya Bukanga na Bukanga North niyo kongera okwika ansharo ya Uganda na Tanzania
enare moye seven moye amaje oye aron oye
erizoba aba ministry barangira kuko batandika omurimo go kunduza batandikira boda ya Bugango
kora heavy grading ikimanyisa tutimba got shaping okuturuka ko muki omuteke so zaku kora heavy grading ikitansha hano Bugango namwe bajatanche Kityaza najata batanche Bugango kugirango nabo publish abo
abemizi chekeki banje kushaba ministry konja kwatanzana nabo abukuba nebamanyaje ekibarukwenda nemyanye kukira kubateganisa ankutage
urugundo mazima orugumire rutakaba mu bicupuri okuba tukira bamare masahe zimutekemo ubukodi butatamwa wa Calvert gabateriremo hariya mazima akagundo kitu kabanze kabase kutuyamba obuye obumisho twema kuvumaganya MP witu kandi akusatusakire bintu
eshonga ndije ya gashatu nabanishaba engineer akora emere kutugambira otushobore program y'oruguudo ekyo kojine nikarubats zingahiye zokwenda kutuhereza ni klasi yamaramu eyokwenda kutera mu ruguudo n'ingano ndakusya nkahiye n'ingano ndakusharota n'ingano ibintu cyo bikwenda kusisika
abantu namnonga barukosa ebiruka banje kutugambira oburemezi obatwire nibarabamu
kurugirira n'ibintu birimo n'imihanda kukwera amagwari abana bitu bafuna accident bahinduka abandi bafa abandi bakukamo ino no bareba kugira amazima tube turi kubaba umuhando cokerizo twino kushemerwa kwango kurenga biza gukorera nitwe tweyagareho nk'ababoda kwango bwiro bwinzi nitwe twuba
tushabankitwe ababoda boda kanga tufunaremo gusiga wagwire bakatereza imbuto zitwa imbuto yitu ya bugango aza kuhemba kitereza bajamba kuretera mu mara mu kirasi yo kubanza bashiteramo amabare gakagemereye gati ubona gategisi bagatereza no gatereza
yenda kusima government ite nunji ya NRM aha weteka teka nunji aha bukutwara umuhando go budorbe binekisi cyamana nonga ejire birenegwa kubura genda ibishuro y'abantu yona efa kwenu inamasiko kugira ngo hata bwado bo batanka gukorwa yafuregereje kwa karbanzija kwibamo namara mu nzija
abatura baraburwa okwehara emize na mnongere kuretera enkute zafa kukunaga mukasasiro nebende amakuraga gasha kwa Ruth Nwamanya aba TV West
webare Ruth Nwamanya umu district y'Isinjiro tushirwe mu district y'Isinjiro nabwe bahirwa butimba bw'ensiri okubahwera okurwanisa umushija gw'ensiri obutimba ubu bubahirwe aba ministry y'ebyamagara kandi babashabira kubukwata kurunzi
obutimbo bwakirwe n'uburenge mitwara 5 kandi bwakirwa bebembezi ba district n'abarukure by'amagara ahabwa Isinjiro district
hataba mu okuguza hataba mbi abo kuba twakwasomisha abantu bona bareba na government nireba na offices zona nizireba ukabije ngubushimirwa n'ucyo kiza
ujya kutungwa amaka agaje mu district kandi umurimo wo kubara burkane mu abantu bangahi bijya kutunga bata icyo tukavuga kurundi statistics zona tuzine twara burcyaro urumuruka amena ne burugombo mukama witu RDC na chairman butimbo mukureba bwono buryaha district yitu etungire obutimba emitwaro 55 na rukaga 50
nubija kugabirwa abanyisingiro ahabwa abusha kandi abarabutunje nubashabo kuburinda kurunji omuhwezi wa RDC na chairman ahabwa isingiro barabwira barashangwe nubabukoresa kubi ngo bariye norya
obutimbo bo bukozise umurimo butaru kabushanga hansi y'ebiju by'umwani yebiti by'umwani kabushanga abitara obeno manyanguyiwe government yaiza kukwata noza kuba no butebiriza inyuma y'imitehimbwa kastara DCR yahanaje kuchongera so mwenda katimbaka wakakwata kakose nko kubakuragira ngo gakoze kandi abandi ubutimbo mutabuguza nimba manyana bo barumu abakwenda ngo baguze ubutimbo so ubutimbo mutakabuguza mu butware mu bukume no bwegendesereza
kandi tukabanita twaba mu district zubandeze futungo ubutimbo mwena nimba shaba DHO na timu yawe okuba tugambira naro kubana begisa chairman nakaho obutimbo ubu mumanye omugasho gwabo ninjyango mwabashobore bakimanye akwaho kuza kukikoshanga bakomere ngo nakomere nkoko ayebwa ngo nubwesiri nuwe burufutanda ukanda bachezo shangana baboroga government tarumbaza marwa manya okwerinda nufutandikiraho
ndeshengereza abantu abo mu byaro iyo butimbo bwaza kuza mukoregane na security mukoregane na LC1 LC2 ba piso ba VHTs kureba ngo ubutimba tibabwira noza kureba ubutimba babugaba nyesa karubugane mu base ni buza Kampala
abaturani bija ko bano batunga ubutimba ku rugahamiruka barkwebemberwa bebemezi ba LC na ba VHTs
okwakira ubutimba bw'esiri kugira ngo abantu bitu batakayitwa umushiro bw'esiri twatunga umugisha wo kugira bakamabona aba district chairperson na ba executive be RDC kawu hamwe n'abandi bagenyi nangwa harimo n'abebembezi abaha amagomboro okwija kureba obutimba obu gavumenti tuherize kandi neza kubuhikiza kimwe ahamiruka abataka nibija obutimba obwe okubukwatira ahamuka
tuma gavumenti ahabo kutuletera obutimba obwo ahabo kuba waza kureba research yakozerwa mu mashomero gitu abana bindi babiri barimo kushoma kumara P7 ahabwa absentism y'amani eri kuretwa abana kugura umushijo akagenda akagurwara kumara nka wiki ninga nk'emyezi 2 atari hishomero na performance umushomero ushanga yaza hasi munonga nango mwachosha munonga ahenda remireyo atagarukire na ishomero mwene nsima government abo kutuletera obutimba obu
district isingiro nekera kuteganisa bwo mushwija gweseri kandi abembeze no basima government ahabwe hururu eyo kugurwana sombyanga gasha kwa Felix Nduhura
webare Felix Nduhura we president Yoweri Museveni yashaba abanyishenzero okwirinda oburubwenguzi
abanyishinje b'ikino cya NRM bakuburayo ikiro kimwe kumarira keherero kabo akatuyire nikageno misho mu cyankwanze erizoba babwana umwebembezi wihanga Uganda okubasa kongera kubasibora ebyona byabo mufamu ya Ngoma mu district ya Nakaseke abanyishinjira baze kuyika omushomogo banje kushoborera mukuru wihangana mnonge ebyo ebegire kuyakeherera aka katandeka
acres of coffee they would connive with the parish chief and the parish chief gives them the money and the guilty parish chiefs it was proven that they would collect 300,000 off the 1 million. Then they give the 700,000 to someone who is not the intended beneficiary. Then they would also get people from other parishes who are not the intended beneficiaries and tell them the fact that you're not from this parish, I'm just helping you, so you take 500,000 and I keep 500,000. And it was connivance also with some of the NRM parish chairpersons.
Omwandiki mukuru w'ekibina kya NRM Richard Odong yanja kushoborera mukuru w'ihanga ariyebyo bakwenda kutandikiraho bazo mwishenjero k'ekibina okuranisa obushumankuzi omu kibina okorera hamwe nebindi nebimwari ebyo bakwenda kukoraho.
Politics in the appointment of technical people in government. And the agreement seems to be, sir, that we don't need to be involved as politicians. They should be appointed on merit. And they should sign performance contracts with the public service. Thank you.
Mukuru w'ihanga Juno Yoweri Kaguta Museveni tabahaburwa yayonja kubashobora ibyo banyishije ibintu gukora no kutamana na mnongo kuranisa bushumankuzi bongera gutuma ukora ebyone bashumisibwe omuri cyankwazi.
It had become a practice in parliament. Those committee people, they were in some committees. Then they will tell public servants who are bringing their budgets to be passed by those committees of yours. So if you don't pay, we shall not pass your budget. And the committees have to pay. But there was some patriotic person who said, I can't agree to this. That person came and reported. And we captured them red-handed, these young people. So I don't want to hear that again in Parliament.
Omwanya gwa Ngoma omuli Nakaseke yanja kushoboraho kumwanya gwe byafayo na mnonga cyaye karutaro rwamuresere ombwebembezi. Mukuru w'ihanga yanja kushabanyishingiro ngo bazo mwishingiro barwanisa obushumankuzi abo kuba yatungire n'abanyisibo hacyara abanyishingiro abaguhindura umuze omukuriye nguzi ngo bakora ebintu bitaramo na bimwe.
Let's really get rid of corruption. This is a lot of money which we are sending down. If it is well used, it will change the country. So therefore, make sure that you, the new young people, don't get polluted with this smelly problem.
Constitution oba rules and procedures zivuga parliament buli muntu yenna aqualifyinga ng'omubaka wa parliament aqualifyinga ati waddemba okwesimba ku kifo kino kyewa speaker wobayo omuntu alowooza nti kiki kati nga bano benawulidde bayombera ebisenge mu ddiiro n'ebisenge ffe abaana bawaka abamanyi n'ebisenge n'ensonda tukyasirise abagenyi bali kuyombera ki ebisenge nakyo kyanewunyisizza
ng'ababaka nkakasa nga tubanguddwa mu bintu ebyenjawulo waliwo ne etiquette soba ziyita empisa ezitutendekeddwa omubaka byalina engeri gyalina okweyisa.
If I need something from health from my people, if I need something from the education sector for my people, where do I go? How do we, how does Parliament operate?
Tuleese okulaba nga tulambula biki omuntu byayinza okwekolera okwejja mu bwavu. The social transformation.
Byokuyiga bibadde bingi. Kimu ku byo bibadde kwatagana ku PDM. Muzeeyi n'asomesa abantu ku kibalo agala abantu bave mu bwavu.
Amakuru aga gasha kwa Jimmy Muhumuza.
Webale Jimmy Muhumuza twazagaruka tumureho tugaruka n'amakuru agandi.
Much more fiercely contested than this. One of the fiercest rivalries. Huge clash. He's having the time of his life. Can you feel it? It's shaking.
When you don't use Momo, you are forced to quarrel.
Mama, nkwere 15. Ompaire 15. Abantu abakuluma atandise obuyayo mwene. Obuyayo obuliga. Iwe. Ngobiyanko bantu sente dange nizade kolera ngobi nakolera sente dange.
Save yourself from quarreling. Use the Momo app or dial *165*3# to pay and enjoy zero charges below 5k. That's the power of Momo.
It might seem crazy what I'm about to say. Here's how you chase that gray away. You're a hot air balloon that can go to space. With the air like you don't care, baby, by the way.
Pace. There is no margin for error. So much here is familiar.
Over 1900 games brought us here.
There is not a sporting heat quite like this.
But history doesn't care about the journey.
The Premier League is the best league in the world.
La Liga is far and beyond the biggest winner.
It only remembers how it ends.
You bought it. There's no other word. You bought it.
8 titles. 1 month of mayhem to decide them all.
Outstanding from Patrick Dorgan.
Stay connected and watch DSTV to catch the football season finale this May. It's on.
There's a new way to keep your breath fresh all day. Introducing Movit All Day Toothpaste, meant to give you powerful night gum defense and teeth whitening. The charcoal flavor gives you deep cleansing and power stain removal. And the herbal delivers natural strength for healthy, confident smiles. Choose Movit All Day Toothpaste and enjoy freshness all day.
makuru ag'ebyemizano timu y'omupiira gw'ebigyere eya Boniconsilo FC eyonzire kukora kurungi mu mpaka za ligi y'abakazi ya kabiri eya Women Elite League bwanyuma y'okusinga aba UPDF na goli 2-0 omu muzano guzanirwa Kacheka.
Timu ya Boniconsilo FC eyegaranjwire ha mutwe gw'ekimeza ekya Elizabeth n'obubonero 15 omumizano mukaga bwanyuma y'okusinga y'amahe eya UPDF FC na goli 2-0 omumuzano guzanirwa ha Kacheka nyemwebazyo goli zishikize Boniconsilo ha businguzi zitebirwe Pisa Iroth na Nabiba Nengehama omushicweka cy'okubanza kandi nobwo abagenyi aba UPDF bongiremu amano mu shicweka cya kabiri tikizibire timu ya Boniconsilo kutunga obusinguzi. Obusinguzi obuno bwijaho bwanyuma y'ekiro kimwe bahereze kusinga empaka z'amashomero ga senior ahasando mu district y'Ibanda kandi hatabo mu league bariyo nibahayahayana na timu ya URA kubasa kurabaho kuzo mu league nkuru eyihanga.
Mbulansemeriro mnonga abo kuba umano bwa match abo kuba kabakiranga hoga betinise mariro muno
chances first half jeba gol defending uzinga zili politics sepawe kurugera ruwavu banze coach imisiza
the final game ya mukaga tumaliza kwilingana game 5 tuziga mu game sava tuli bakubiri ko table nayo ala leadinze kigerero kya feature working hard to make sure that tugenze mu Super League.
Kare agonugo makuru agacenchira gutwabasa kusyaho ekireki kandi wabanaga kusyaho nde Elias rite gusa hamwe na Sandy Brian do rumo rwo bonero ite twendeze kurara kurungi.
Eshaha zabisha tuzechiro na when you don't use Momo, you get insulted by strangers.